Hello students, today in Biobotany second lesson classical genetics. In this lesson we are going to see heredity and variation, laws of Mendelian inheritance, monohybrid, dihybrid, trihybrid cross, back cross and test cross. Interaction of genes, introgenic and intergenic, incomplete dominance, lethal genes, epistasis, polygenic inheritance in wheat kernel color, pleiotropism in Pisum sativum, extra chromosomal inheritance, cytoplasmic inheritance in mitochondria and chloroplast. Genetics. Genetics, the science of heredity. Genetics is the mechanism of transmission of characters from parents to offspring. W. Batson was introduced the term genetics. In this genetics, there are sub-disciplines: transmission genetics or molecular genetics, population genetics, quantitative genetics. Genes means fundamental unit of inheritance. Heredity and variation. Heredity is the transmission of characters from parents to offspring. Variation means species that shows a difference in the characteristics. There are two types of variation: discontinuous variation, continuous variation. Discontinuous variation. A population show a limited form of variation. Example, style length in primula. Continuous variation. Due to the combining effects of environmental and genetic factors, most of the characteristics exhibit without any break. Example, human height and skin color. Importance of variations. Variation makes better individuals, adapt themselves to the changing environment. It provides the genetic material for the natural selection. Variations allow breeders to improve better yield, quicker growth, increased resistance and lesser input. They constitute the raw materials for evolution. Now Mendelism. The contribution of Mendel to genetics is called Mendelism. Mendel is called as father of genetics. He crossed, catalogued the pea plant and entitled Experiments on Plant Hybrids. Mendel was successful because he applied mathematics, statistical and laws of probability to his breeding experiments. He kept accurate and detailed records of his crosses. He carefully planned and used large samples. The pairs of contrasting characters which were controlled by factor were present on separate chromosomes. Mendel was selected pure breed lines and purity was tested by self-crossing the progeny for many generations. Mendel experimental system. The garden plant, P. It is an annual plant. Characters are controlled by a single gene separately. Self-fertilization occurred in pea plant naturally. But Mendel used both self-fertilization and cross-fertilization. The flowers are large, hence emasculation and pollination are very easy for hybridization. Mendel's experiment on pea plant. Mendel establishes the minute particles of hereditary units or factors which are now called as genes. 7 characters studied by Mendel. stem length, pod shape, seed shape, flower position, flower color, pod color. Molecular answer for color in flower. Anthocyanin pigment produce purple color in pea plant. Absence of anthocyanin pigment produce white flower. Researchers with gene gun method delivered anthocyanin in white flower, so it became purple. Mendel's experiments were rediscovered by three biologists, Hugo de Vries, Carl Kohns, and Erich von Estermask. Terminology related to Mendelism. Gene can exist in alternate forms for the same triad is called alleles. Homozygous means identical alleles. Heterozygous, different alleles. Mendel non-true breeding plants are heterozygous, called as hybrids. Mendelian inheritance, Mendel's law of heredity. The law of dominance. The characters are controlled by pair of factors in which one is dominant, other is recessive. This law gives an explanation to the monohybrid cross. The law of segregation, that means law of purity of gametes. Alleles do not show any blending. Gametes are never hybrid. Monohybrid cross. When tall plant cross with dwarf plant in F1 generation gives heterozygous tall plant. In F2 generation, 3 tall plants and 1 dwarf plant appear. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1. Reciprocal cross. Tall male cross with a dwarf female plant and tall female cross with dwarf male plant is done, which is called reciprocal cross. The result of Mendel's monohybrid crosses were not sex dependent. Mendel's analytical and empirical approach. Particulate units of heredity are transmitted from one generation to the other. To determine the relationships which govern hereditary triads, this rationale is called as empirical approach. Law is arrived from it is known as empirical laws. Test cross. Mendel crossed the plants from F2 generation with homozygous recessive dwarf plant. This he called a test cross. Test cross is used to identify whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous for dominant characters. Molecular explanation for tall and dwarf plant. Molecules of gibberellins in a functional form in tall plant allele. Non-functional gibberellin in dwarf plant allele. Tall pea plant has capital L small e, capital L small e, or capital L small e or small l small e. Dwarf plant has small l small e, small l small e. It's just a representation of the genetics. Back cross. F1 hybrid is crossed with any one of the parental genotypes. When F1 offsprings are crossed with dominant parents, all the F2 develop dominant characters. If F1 hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent, the phenotypes appear in equal proportion, and this cross is specified as test cross. The recessive back cross helps to identify the heterozygosity of the hybrid. Dihybrid cross. It is a cross of two different characters. Law of independent assortment. When two pairs are combined, one pair of character is independent to the other pair of characters. The law of segregation means alleles of one gene. The law of independent assortment means the relationship between the genes. Homozygous round seeds yellow cotyledon cross with homozygous wrinkled seeds green cotyledon. In F1 generation, heterozygous round seeds yellow cotyledon appears. When F1 is celled, in F2 generation, yellow round, yellow wrinkled, green round, green wrinkled, ratio is 9:3:3:1. Molecular explanation for wrinkled gene. Why that seed is wrinkled? The protein called starch branching enzyme is indominant. The activity of the enzyme is lost, resulting in wrinkled piece. The seed accumulates more sucrose and high water content. When it matures, it loses water, so it becomes wrinkled at maturation. Trihybrid cross. 3 pairs of contraction characteristic triads are called trihybrid cross. Tall yellow round, dwarf green wrinkled. In F1 generation, tall yellow round heterozygous appears. The phenotypic ratio for F2 generation 27:9:9:9, 3:3:3:1. Extensions of Mendelian genetics. Gene interaction. A single phenotype is controlled by more than one set of genes, each of which has 2 or more alleles, is called gene interaction. There are 2 types of gene interaction. Intralocus interaction, that is allelic interaction. Interlocus interaction or non-allelic interaction. Intralocus interaction is 3 types. Dominant relationship, lethal genes, multiple alleles. In dominant relationship, complete dominance, example tall and dwarf pea plant. Incomplete dominance, codominance, overdominance. Lethal genes, dominant lethals, recessive lethals, conditional lethals, sex-linked lethals, balanced lethals. Mendelian experiments prove that a single gene controls one character, but gene interaction concept was introduced and explained by W. Batson. This concept is known as factor hypothesis or Batson's factor hypothesis. Intragene interaction or intra-allelic or allelic interactions. Intergene interactions or interallelic or non-allelic interactions. Intragene interactions. Interaction takes place between the alleles of the same gene. Allele at the same locus is present. Incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple alleles, pleiotropic genes. Incomplete dominance. No blending of genes. The genes never blend together. The German botanist Karl Kohns in 1905 experiment in 4 o'clock plant Mirabilis jalapa. He crossed red and white. In F1 generation, he gets pink color flower. When F1 generation is selfed, he got red, pink and white flower in the ratio 1:2:1. Molecular explanation for incomplete dominance. functional enzyme synthesizes red pigment in red flower. Mutant allele produce an enzyme which cannot synthesize red pigments in white flower. In F1, intermediate produce 50% of the functional protein of red flower plant, so it is pink. Codominance 1:2:1 ratio. Simultaneous expression of both alleles in the heterozygote. Example, red and white flowers of camellia. Inheritance of sickle cell hemoglobin. ABO blood group system in human beings. In human beings, allele of I gene is codominant, which follows Mendel's law of segregation. In plants, with the help of electrophoresis or chromatography, for protein or flavonoid substance determined. Lethal genes, an allele which has the potential to cause the death of an organism. In Snapdragon, there are three kinds of plants. Green plants with chlorophyll, yellowish green plants with carotenoids, or referred to as pale green, golden or urea plants. White plant without any chlorophyll. It is a recessive character, so small cc, it's a genetic representation. In F1, progeny ratio is 1:2:1. One green plant, capital CC, 2 urea, one capital C and small c, one white, small cc. Since the white plant lack chlorophyll pigment, they will not survive. So the F2 generation ratio is modified into 1:2. Pleiotropy. A single gene affects multiple triads. Mendel noticed pleiotropy in pea plant with purple flowers, brown seeds and dark spot on the axils of the leaves, and crossed with white flowers, light colored seeds and no spot on the axils of the leaves. All the three triads were controlled by a single gene. Another example, sickle cell anemia. Intergene interactions. Interlocus interaction takes place between the alleles at different loci, that is, between alleles of different genes. Dominant epistasis. Two alleles of a gene at one locus interfere and suppress or mask the phenotypic expression of a different pair of alleles of another gene at another locus. The gene that suppresses or masks the phenotypic expression of a gene at another locus is known as epistatic. The gene whose expression is interfered by non-allelic genes and prevent from exhibiting its character is known as hypostatic. When both the genes are present together, the phenotype is determined by the epistatic gene and not by the hypostatic gene. In summer squash, the white fruit is crossed with yellow fruit. In F1, white fruit appeared. When F1 is self, capital W, capital G, small g into capital W, capital G and small g. It's a heterozygous. In F2 generation, the phenotypic ratio is 12 white is to 3 yellow is to 1 green. When allele capital W suppresses the allele capital G and small g, then white fruit arrives. When allele capital G masks the allele of small w and small g, then yellow fruit arrives. When allele small w and small g is recessive or masked by capital W or small capital G allele, then green fruit arrives. Intragenic or allelic interaction. Incomplete dominance. Example, flower color in Mirabilis jalapa, ratio is 1:2:1. Another example, flower color in Snapdragon, Anthracinum space, ratio 1:2:1. Codominance. Example, ABO blood group system in humans, ratio is 1:2:1. Intergenic or non-allelic interaction. Dominant epistasis. Example, fruit color in summer squash, ratio is 12:3:1. Recessive epistasis. Example, flower color of Anthracinum sap, ratio 9:3:4. Duplicate genes with cumulative effect. Example, fruit shape in summer squash, ratio 9:6:1. Complementary genes. Example, flower color in sweet peas, ratio 9:7. Supplementary genes. Example, grain color in maize, ratio 9:3:4. Inhibitor genes. Example, leaf color in rice plants, ratio 13:3. Duplicate genes. Example, seed capsule shape, fruit shape in shepherd's purse and Bursa pastoris, ratio is 15:1. Polygenic interaction in wheat kernel color. Several genes combine to affect a single trait. This was discovered by H. Nielsen L. in 1909. He made an experiment in wheat kernels. Dark red crossed with white in F1 generation, medium red color appears of kernel color. When F1 is celled, in F2 generation, dark red, medium dark red and medium red and light color red, 15, he got 15, and white alone only one produced. Later, it was discovered that researchers discovered that the third gene that also affect the kernel color of wheat. Nielsen L. found the ratio of 63 red is to 1 white in F2 generation, 1:16:15:20:15:6:1. 1 dark red wheat kernel, 6 moderate red wheat kernel, 15 red wheat kernel, 20 intermediate red wheat kernel, 15 light red wheat kernel, 6 very light red wheat kernel, and only 1 white wheat kernel. Extra chromosomal inheritance or extra nuclear inheritance, that means cytoplasmic inheritance. Genes located in nuclear chromosomes, that is explained by Mendelian inheritance. But certain triads are governed either by the chloroplast or mitochondrial genes. This phenomenon is known as extranuclear inheritance. Chloroplast inheritance. It is found in 4 o'clock plant Mirabilis jalapa, dark green leaved plant, female crossed with pale green leaved plant, male plant. In F1, female plant appeared. It is due to the chloroplast gene in female plant cytoplasm. During fertilization, the ovum gets only the cytoplasm of the female plant. Male gamete gives only the nucleus, not the cytoplasm. Mitochondrial inheritance. The gene for cytoplasmic male sterility is found in the mitochondrial DNA. Example, pearl maize, Sorghum vulgare. Normal cytoplasm, male fertile, and aberrant cytoplasm, male sterile, are two types of plant found in Mirabilis jalapa. This sterility is maintained in both nuclear and cytoplasmic genes. There are commonly two types of cytoplasm, normal and sterile, found in mitochondrion. There are also restores of fertility genes, RF. The combination of normal cytoplasm with small RF and sterility cytoplasm with capital RF, small f, capital or small f, produces plants with fertile pollens, while in sterile cytoplasm with small rf and small rf produces only male sterile plants. At last one is an atavism. An ancestral triad reappears after having been lost through evolutionary changes in the previous generation. The gene sequence remains inactive for many generations. A fault in the gene control suppressing leads to the reappearance of that character again. Example, re-emergence of sexual reproduction in the flowering plant Hieracium pilosula. That's all about this lesson. Thank you. Now home test. 2 mark questions. Define genetics. Name the 7 contrasting characters of Mendel. What is backcross? 3 mark questions. Define gene interaction. What is epistasis and hypostatic? What is meant by cytoplasmic inheritance? 5 mark question. Explain with an example how single genes affect multiple triads and alleles the phenotype of an organism. I repeat it once again. 2 mark questions. Define genetics. Name the 7 contrasting triads of Mendel. What is backcross? 3 mark questions. Define gene interaction. What is epistatic and hypostatic? What is mean by cytoplasmic inheritance? 5 mark question. Explain with an example how single genes affect multiple triads and alleles the phenotype of an organism. Thank you.